on heat mode, but it's now running in air conditioning mode. So based on what the customer told me, a technician came in here yesterday, and that was the same thing that was happening before the technician came in. So we don't know what is the issue, but then why is it running in cold mode when the thermostat is set on heating? And what did the guy do is what we don't know. So let's see the unit up here. Squeeze ourselves and see what they got. Yeah, it's light. So why are you running on heat, on cold, when we set you on heating? It's crazy, huh? And the funniest question I ask is, what did the technician do when he came in? Oh my God, that's easy. Yeah, boy, it's crazy. The guy said he worked for this thing. Everything here is an issue. My God. It's the rain furnace. Let's see. They ask for heat, and you are supplying, giving us cool air. Just for see what they did here. Just, or it should be the thermostat wire. This wires from the thermostat. Up and down. Okay, let's see. So a case like this is pretty cool. You have the Y. So let's bypass the thermostat and see how this thing runs now. So here have the red and the white. The red and the white. This is the white. The white is the white. So let's try this. Take this out. This was the white. White. So what we need to do is to run this. See how it's gonna work. See? The indicator is running? No. The indicator kind of wrong wiring or miscommunication between the unit and the thermostat. So let me see how it's gonna work here. Okay. The igniter. Let's light it up. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna fire.